Greetings everyone. Indus is authorized distributor of Honeywell products. The SZL-VL-S series miniature type limit switch is suitable for OEM use in applications where limited mounting space is available and in machinery that requires a rugged and reliable limit switch. It has CE approvals, is sealed to IP67 and has snap action contacts. It has die-cast metal housing with glass-filled, flame retardant thermoplastic cover. The cover is removable for easy access. Stainless steel levers and rollers available and is ROHS compliant. Mechanical life rating is 10 million cycles and electrical life rating is 0.5 million cycles. The other variants we have are spring type, pin plunger type, top roller plunger type, side rotary adjustable lever, rod type, etc.